You probably wouldn't believe me if I told you that a hammer and a feather are pulled down by the same gravitational force. Because in reality, at least on Earth, this is what happens. But it's not gravity that's doing this to you, it's a different force. Let me show you what I mean. Because if we did this experiment on the moon, it would look like this. Other than the fact that watching YouTube up there would be really hard, what really is the difference? Basically, they were in a vacuum. There was no air resistance up there on the moon. And for that reason, the feather, which was being pushed up, wasn't pushed up, meaning that they both fell at the exact same time.
Next up is a real clip from the Apollo 15.
And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that? It proves that Mr. Galileo was correct in his findings.